Shutting through the city with a little fucking soul. So make light it up like dynamite. This little cute cheese shop with a little bit of a factory downstairs is so cute. I wish there was like a tour that I could watch them make cheese, and like I love guided tours, I love workshops, and I love learning about. That is a giant mixing pot. This is not for the faint of heart. This is a really, really hard hike. This hike is probably the steepest, rockiest, most hands-on climb I've done in all the hikes in Switzerland. I'm currently climbing a mountain that starts with a G that is near Santis. Sorry, that is near Schwegalp. And it is insane how steep it is. I mean, just take a look. So, you got this. There's even like a staircase. Oh my lord. That is so fun, actually. But also, wow. Really challenging. Really not for the faint of heart. Definitely, if you're feeling adventurous, then you can give this a try. Gonna be able to make it to the top. Okay, so from here I think I'm gonna go downhill because I want to make it back in time for the last bus. I'm checking my time this time. I'm smart. And then I'll come back on another day to hike all the way up with a friend, and then we'll take the cable car down. And then I want to buy myself like a trophy to say that I hiked Santis. Oh my god. That would be such an, I would be so proud. That was, to me, like, that's like running a marathon. Ugh, hiking Santis. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do you. Watch me. I'm gonna do you. Freshened up a little bit, and I'm gonna take the second last bus home. Made it on time. My legs feel like jelly. I do not need new shoes because these ones are not broken. I hope you last me for at least another good few months that I'm here. If you intend on hiking, especially in Switzerland, please pack a pair of mountain boots and an extra pair of running shoes, because you never know what's gonna happen to one of your shoes. I did not. These are my one and only pair. I've been extremely lucky and very, very thankful. My legs are shaking. I don't know if you can see them tremble. I can feel it on the inside. Ah.
Down here is an area, also a place called Ofenloch. Oven hole.
Oven hole? Is it hot?
No, but it's deep.
Yes.
And waterfalls, a small waterfall, and it's really fantastic. And then so I saw this picture and I thought, whoa!
I want to go there.
Yes.
Yeah.
It started.
Have you ever been in a cable car during a rain/thunderstorm? I can finally check that off of my list now. I'm here on Santis. Crazy enough to go on a rainy day. Beautiful view, look, everything I can see. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready to weather the storm. It is so windy outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like really rainy and really windy. I feel ridiculous. This is great. What was so thrilling and amazing about this trip was not only that I got to share this moment with somebody.
This is absolutely crazy! And we'll make for a good story one day. But the wind here is like insane. It's like so strong. I almost got knocked over a few times. We lost some glasses almost. And it's just, oh wait, the rain has stopped. The rain has stopped, but the wind is here. Woo! 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 I feel like Batman! Woo! I'm so happy!
Yay! That is great!
Yeah!
Let's give this a shot. It was the fact that it was like feeling like you're on a roller coaster because the winds were just so intense.
Wow! I don't know if you can see that, but that's so cool!
I've never felt anything like it in my entire life. After we went around outside, we could not walk for very much because of the wind and the weather.
Let's go anyway. Let's do the crazy thing anyway.
We have so much pleasure.
I know! I've never done anything like that. That was insanely cool.
We came back inside for a little bit of rest and respite, ate a few things,
Your favorite!
and visited the museum at the very top, which talked a lot about the geographical location of Santis and the science of weather. I guess this is what the world looks like when you're on drugs and you eat mushrooms. Whoa! Whoa! Double vision.
Multivision.
I truly feel like I'm from Harry Potter. Like I'm Severus Snape.
Turn to page 394.
ist der Altmann.
Altman.
Ja.
We are truly crazy for doing this.
It was just so thrilling, so ecstatic. I felt electricity run through my fingertips the entire time.
Golden Z?
And Sealpsee.
That's Sealpsee?
Yes.
That's really Sealpsee? Are you sure?
Yes. And the
Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought. There's a mountain. What's this mountain?
Sorry?
What's this mountain?
On our way down now, we didn't get to hike today, but that's okay. We experienced something, I experienced something that I haven't experienced before, which was that crazy wind up in Santis. So next week I'll hike. I'll hike next week. This was no doubt one of the highlights of my entire European trip. Have you ever climbed a mountain before? I literally felt like I was being blown off the edge.